This is the Crosman Pulse R76, also known as the AK-74U. Right here we have the gun. Right, and then it also comes with this, as well as cleaning rod, your charger, and your actual clip, your strap, and 500.2 BBs. And that's what you're gonna see when you start unboxing the gun. This is the gun. It has a collapsible stock, and how the collapsible stock works is you just press this button, then it comes down, clicks right there, and then also has this, put like this, and then you just, that's how it works. Then we have the magazine, right? And how the magazine works is you just pour your BBs in through this little spot right here, and then once you fill it up about 3/4 way, you have this thing, and you spin it about 75 times, and once you spin it 75 times, it's ready to shoot and fire. And once you have that, it just loads into the gun by this little part right here, clipping in there, and then you just push it upwards. And next we have the safe. Alright, right now it's on safe, now it's on full, now it's on semi, and that's how the safe works. And then the hop-up system. How you access the hop-up system, you just open this thing right here, and then if you move this thing forward, it gives it more spin, and if you move it backwards, it gives it less spin. You want to have it about right in the middle between those two things for just normal firing. And after that, has tri-rail sight. You can see that sight through there. This thing, tri-rail, and then it has rear sight, this thing, and it's adjustable. Move it down, up, and after the sight, this gun is almost all metal. There's some plastic in here, and it weighs about 4.5 pounds. Its length is about 29 inches. Obviously it's electric powered, and its accuracy is long range. It's an assault rifle. And let's get to the strap now. It's the strap it comes with. It's adjustable. You want to put this one right here on this clip. Then once you have that side on, then there's this little thing right here. And then you clip the other side onto that. And that's how you put on the strap. And then under the strap, I'm going to explain the .2 BBs. .2 is a lot more accurate than .12. There's 500 of them. And then how you pour it in, you just open the top thing right here, and then you just dump them in your clip. And then it's the cleaning rod. And what you do is you could also unjam as well as clean your gun. You just simply just stick it in there, and then you could unjam if there's a BB clogged in there. And then that's about all you really need to know about how the gun works. Alright, next we have the charger, and how the charger works is, well, just let me untangle this. You just plug it in. There's really no way to figure out when it's done charging. You'll probably need a timer. When you first get it, I would time it for about 5.5 hours, and then it's usually that's usually its maximum capacity. And this thing is a little tricky, how the battery, you just press that button in and then it just pops off. And then this is the battery. You just pull it out a little bit and then the cord should come out, and then you plug these two things together like that, and then just time it for about 4.5 hours, and after 4.5 hours it should be done. You plug this back in here. Alright, battery's in. Then you push the cord back in the gun. Then there's a little spot to place your battery. Right there. And then after that, you just gotta put your top on. Putting on your top is a real pain in the butt. You just stick it in there, this little slot it has. Then after you do that, you just press down and it should just clip on like that. And now top's secure, and that's how the charging and how you put the top on works. Alright, now how the loading works is there's this little cap right here. You just flip it open like that, and then you grab your .2 500 count BBs and you just pour them in. It's usually a pain to pour in. Alright, after you fill this up about 3/4 way, you should have about this many BBs left. And then you spin this knob right here 75 times. Then once you're finished spinning that 75 times, then you're ready to shoot. But keep in mind that when you're shooting, it might misfire, and then when it starts misfiring, you're going to have to spin it a couple more times, and then it should go back to normal. So, let's put the clip in. Alright, now it's ready to shoot. This is the gun's accuracy. I'm aiming for that red dot right there. I'm a fairly accurate shooter, and I'm aiming right down the middle, so this should allow you to see the actual accuracy of the gun. Once again, this is on semi. Alright, that's on semi. Now I'm going to show you full automatic. So we switch this thing around. Alright, switching it to full automatic. This is a power test of the gun. I'm going to be shooting at a can, as you can see. And first I'm going to shoot at it on semi-automatic. Alright, once again, this is for the power of the gun. Oops, sorry, that was on full Alright, now it's on semi. As you can see, it's very powerful. Now you're going to see it on full. Alright, let me just switch this safe to full. Alright. Very powerful, as you can see. This is for the rate of fire of the gun, so you can see the rate of fire. I'm going to be shooting that little piece of paper. Alright. This is on semi. And I'm going to count to 5. I'm just aiming at different places so you could see how many it shoots in a certain amount of time. So I'm just going to count to 5 seconds, shooting as fast as it can go. It's about 6 shots off. Now I'm switching it to full, and I'm going to be switching this target. And again, I'm counting to 5. Okay. As you can see, it gets a lot of shots off. Alright, this is the gun's accuracy on semi. These first 3 shots, don't really pay attention to those because I was kind of off to see where the gun was shooting. And then these shots is where you should probably pay attention because I messed up on these 3. So, pretty decent semi. Now let's move over here to full. Full, it's pretty good except for, I don't know, a couple overshot it. Now let's move to the power on full. Alright, this is semi, sorry. The power on semi, it put some pretty nasty dents in this can. So, as you can see there, that's its power on semi. Then this is its power on full. It just tore right through it. It's like, alright, that's its power on full. Let's move over here to the rate of fire. The rate of fire on semi, it got 6 shots off in 5 seconds, and that's for semi-automatic. Alright, and after that, the rate of fire on full, it got 23 shots off in 5 seconds, which is really good. That may not look like 23, but I counted, it's 23. And that's 23 shots in 5 seconds. So overall, the rate of fire, the power, and the accuracy of the gun is pretty amazing. So that's just a little demonstration there.